Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to online class provided by Shirazganj Power Development Board Secondary School, Shirazganj. You are staying at home for the cause of coronavirus, and so our school has taken a necessary steps to continue your studies. So I am going to take class on English. For 9, 10, I am going to introduce you Mohammad Abdur Razzaq, Assistant Teacher, Shirazganj Power Development Board Secondary School. I will take class on English grammar and composition. Topic tag question. Dear students, look at the picture. The children are playing football, aren't they? You have been given a circle. What can you see in the circle? Tag question. So today's lesson is tag question. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, we will be able to tell the definition of tag question. Number 2, tell the use of tag questions. Number 3, make different tag questions. What is a tag question? A tag question is a question made by adding a short question oblique question tag at the end of the sentence. Naseema is intelligent, isn't she? Naseema is intelligent. This is a statement. And isn't she? Question tag. So, dear student, this is for tag question. Structure. Affirmative sentence. Statement plus comma plus auxiliary verb plus n apostrophe t, just for contraction form of not, plus pronoun plus question mark. Look at the picture. And example is, she can write well. Can't she? Structure. Negative. Statement plus comma plus auxiliary verb plus subject, the pronoun of subject, plus question mark. This is a pen. The pen does not write well. This example is negative, so tag is affirmative. Does it? Some important pronouns. When you will do tag question, you need the pronoun of subject. So especially the students are weak in pronouns. So you have been given some important pronouns that is necessary to do tag question. Subject, bracket noun, and its pronoun. Person, masculine gender, plus singular number, and its pronoun is he. Person feminine plus singular pronoun is she. Person masculine oblique feminine plus plural and the pronoun is they. Material noun plus singular pronoun it. Material noun plus plural pronoun they. Country, river, ship, earth, moon plus singular. She oblique it. We may also use it. Country oblique river oblique ship plus plural. If the number is plural, pronoun will be they. Nation, the Japanese, the Bengalis, plural and number they. Everybody, everyone, nobody, none, no one, somebody, someone, all. And their pronoun is they. Everything, anything, something, nothing. Pronoun it. Abstract noun. Pronoun it. The mother rose in her. The mother. Common अथवा collective noun. Pronoun they. Their. Pronoun their. Neither of them oblique either of them oblique all of them. Pronoun they. All of you. Pronoun you. Place, all kinds of place. Pronoun it. Along with, as well as, together with, accompanied by. And if the subject is combined with, along with, as well as, together with, accompanied by, its subject will be selected according to first subject. Animal oblique baby plus singular pronoun it. Animal oblique baby plus plural pronoun they. This is pronoun, but we need to know about their pronoun. You plus I. Pronoun will be we. You plus he. Pronoun will be you. You plus he plus I. Pronoun will be we. Subject. English, Bengali, Arabic. Pronoun it. All of us. Pronoun we. Proverb. Pronoun it. Common gender. Pronoun he. The teacher teaches us English. The teacher pronoun is he. This, that, pronoun it. This, those, pronoun they. And oblique both dot dot and. Pronoun they. Not only dot dot but also oblique, neither dot dot nor. And their pronoun will be selected according to second subject. So, dear student, you have known about some pronouns. Look at the sentences given below and follow the rules of making tag questions. Rule: a positive statement is followed by a negative question tag. When the verb is auxiliary, we form the question tag with it. Auxiliary verb. Jamal is from Pabna. Auxiliary verb is, and the sentence is affirmative, and it will be negative. Isn't Jamal, pronoun he. Mim can speak English, can't she? Rule. A negative statement is followed by a positive question tag. They are funny. Negative sentence, and the tag question is, are they? He shouldn't say things like that, should he? You need to some contracted form, and first uncontracted form and second contracted form. Am not, I ain't oblique aren't, is not oblique apostrophe s, not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not oblique apostrophe s, not, wasn't, were not, weren't, have not, haven't, has not, hasn't, had not, hadn't, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, may not, mayn't, might not, mightn't, shall not, shan't, should not, shouldn't, will not oblique apostrophe double L, not, won't, would not apostrophe D, not, wouldn't, would not to, wouldn't to, must not, mustn't, need not, needn't, do not, don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, dare not, daren't, used to not, didn't oblique usedn't. Look at the sentence given below and follow the rules of making tag question. Rule: when the verb in the main sentence is in the present simple, we form the question tag with do oblique does. Don't oblique doesn't. You play the guitar, don't you? Rita likes tennis, doesn't she? Rule number 2, if the verb is in the past simple, we use did oblique didn't. They went to the cinema, didn't they? Rule: when there is hardly, scarcely, seldom, never, rare, little, few in the sentence is negative and the tag question is affirmative. But a few and a little is selected in the sentence will be affirmative and tag question will be negative. It is exceptional. Structure: subject plus hardly, oblique scarcely, oblique seldom, never, rare, little, few, plus verb plus extension, plus comma, plus dash, plus pronoun of subject, plus question mark. Look at the picture. Example: a barking dog seldom bites. The sentence is negative and tag will be affirmative. Does it? Rule: when the pronoun is they in the sentence, the auxiliary verb is to oblique don't. Structure: subject plus verb plus apostrophe s oblique yes plus extension plus comma plus don't oblique don't they oblique do they. Picture is about the affectionate mother. Every mother loves her child, don't they? Rule: when there is complex sentence in the sentence, the tag question is followed principal clause. Structure: subordinate clause plus comma plus principal clause plus comma plus auxiliary verb oblique contraction for plus pronoun of subject plus question mark. Look at the picture. It is raining. Example: if it rains, I will not come. Principal clause is I will not come. And answer: will I. But as the same sentence is negative, so it will be affirmative. Will I. Tag question: imperative sentence. Rule: when the sentence is started with principal verb, the tag question is with won't you, will you, can you, can't you, would you. Structure: principal verb plus extension plus comma plus won't you oblique will you, can you, can't you, could you plus question mark. Look at the picture. Love the child. Imperative sentence. We live. When the sentence started with let us oblique let's, the tag question is with shall we. Structure: let us oblique let's plus extension plus comma plus shall we plus question mark. Look at the picture. The boy is playing football. So example is let us play football. And answer: shall we. When the sentence started with let me, let him, let her, let them, let plus noun, the tag question is with we live. Let me, let him, let her, let them plus extension plus comma plus we live plus question mark. Look at the picture. The boys are swimming. So the example is let them swim. Let them swim, we live. Tag question: exclamatory sentence. When the sentence is exclamatory, the tag question is followed with subject and verb. Structure: what oblique how plus extension plus subject plus verb plus comma plus auxiliary verb plus n apostrophe t plus pronoun of subject plus question mark. Look at the picture. How nice the picture looks. Doesn't it? Rule: when there is no subject and verb in the exclamatory sentence, the tag question is isn't it. Structure: what oblique how plus extension plus comma plus isn't it plus question mark. A flower. Example: what a beautiful flower. There is no included subject and verb, so we will use isn't it in the sentence. Evaluation. Dear student, you have been asked question about tag question and also known something, the important rules of tag question. Now I am going to evaluate you. There is some sentences about tag question and try to understand it and answer me about the question. Nothing is impossible. Answer is it? The idol always lag behind. Answer is don't they? Motivation seldom goes in vain. Does it? You studied hard. Past form. didn't you? Let us start our journey, shall we? There is nothing for her to eat. The sentence is negative and tag will be affirmative. Is there? Bangladesh is our motherland, isn't she? Everybody loves flower, don't they? I am an SSC examiner, aren't I? We ought to love our country, wouldn't we? So, dear student, you have cleared about your question, and I am going to give you homework. Make tag question of these statements. Number A, everybody respects freedom fighters. They fought for the independence of our country. Their names are written in golden letters. All of us should never forget them. Number E, let's respect to them. So, dear student, try to do at most in your knowledge. So, thank you. See you again the next class. If you go out, wear masks, use hand sanitizer. Allah Hafiz.